Oh hey! Yat'e, hello, and welcome to David Warrior's Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say I'm inflating it and I'm adding air. To say I'm inflating it, you'd say Bii asooł, Bii asooł. I'm inflating it. To say I'm inflating a balloon, you'd say Bii Ná'ásooł, Bii asooł. Bii Ná'ásooł, Bii asooł. If I'm telling you to inflate the air mattress, I'd say Tuske, Bii Ná'ásooł, Bii asooł. Tuske, Bii Ná'ásooł, Bii asooł. If I'm saying Ty is inflating the Christmas inflatable, I'd say Ty Keshmishko, Bii Ná'ásooł, Bii asooł. Ty Keshmishko, Bii Ná'ásooł, Bii asooł. Now, if I'm adding air to a car tire, I'd say Chiribike, Bii Ná'ásooł. Chiribike, Bii Ná'ásooł. I wouldn't say Chiribike, Bii asooł unless if the tire was completely flat. If I'm telling you to add air to the bike tire, I'd say Zizibike, Bii Ná'ásooł. Zizibike, Bii Ná'ásooł. If I'm saying Ty is adding air to the ball, I'd say Ty Bii Ná'ásooł. Ty Bii Ná'ásooł. If I'm inflating 3 or more balloons, I would say Bii Ná'ásooł, Bii asooł. Or Bii Ná'ásooł, Bii asooł. Or Jessica, Bii Ná'ásooł, Bii asooł. This is where we get our Navajo word for pump in Navajo. Bii Ná'ásooł, the one that you use to inflate things. And that is today's Navajo word of the day. Bii asooł, I'm inflating it, or Bii Ná'ásooł, I'm adding air to it. Have a nice day. Nijunago ne do atya.